Hello everyone, this is Jake again of Ship from Philippines Lazada, and I'm here to tell you about our latest product. This is called Bike Wireless Remote Control Turn Light or Signal Light. This promotes safety amongst riders day or night. This is its box, and you can see that at the back this is the product installation instructions, the product specifications, and the instruction for pairing. You need to pair the remote control to the light unit because this is wireless. That's so easy. We will take that step later on. So when you open the package, you could see the product contents, which are the charging micro USB charging cable, the light unit. This is our main signal light. The light unit seat post bracket. This will hold the light unit to your seat post. These are the rubber filling. This is used like this. This goes here. So to accommodate those smaller seat posts. This is the same but a longer and thicker version. Next is our remote control. This comes installed with a battery. This is a button cell battery called CR2032, 3 volts. And these are the controls. This is a rubber for your handlebar. The bottom part goes to your handlebar. This is attached to your handlebar first, and then this plastic bracket, so it would not slip when you're using the remote control. So let's install this to your bike. We have here is a seat post, and then our handlebar. Let's proceed with our light unit. Our light unit is easy to install. It does not need tools because of this screw tightener. Our seat post is 27.2 diameter size seat post, and you can see that if you put this is so loose, so you need a rubber for this. So let's use one of the rubber, for example this, and then slide the seat post to the bracket. Okay, you could see that this is adjustable before you tighten it. So some like a lower profile and some likes a higher profile, so it's up to you. Then tighten it so the mounting bracket will not move and will not slip. Okay, oops. Okay. Some adjustment here so we could center this, and okay, I think that's good. And then this is the easy part. You just need to slip the light unit to this part. Okay, there's a click after that. So let's turn this on. That is our on signal. Okay, let's put it here. And then the next step is our handlebar for the remote unit. We just peel off the anti-slip rubber and then put it on our handlebar. This will not allow the remote control to slip when you are adjusting the directions. So in order to put this bracket to the handlebar, you need zip ties. The package comes with 2 zip ties. This is self-explanatory, and I think we bikers know this. But for the purposes of this video, I will install this. 1 and 2. I think that's easy enough for everyone, and it's tight now. Okay, and the remote control, just like the light unit, is easy to mount, just like that. Okay, so let's try this. As you can see, it's not working because we haven't yet paired the two. So to pair it, you need to press the power button for 5 seconds until you see the letter C or the connect signal. Then you need to just press a button like the left or right, and there you go. That is the left and that is the right. So the next step is the operation. How do we operate this? To operate this, we need to turn off the light to really appreciate the unit. Okay, so to go left, you just need to click, or to the right, click the down button. You could see that it indicates going to the right. Okay, and to the left, the up. Okay, and there is a feature here called lasers. So these are lasers. This is a blinking laser. This is controlled by this switch, and another switch will make it steady. On the road at night, this is brighter. Okay, and to turn it off, press it one more time. On the right side, there's another switch button. This is for the blinkers or the light patterns. This is very useful at night. It displays several light patterns to make you more visible. Okay, and you can see that the tail light switch is blinking, telling you that the light unit is producing the light patterns. So turn it off. Just switch it again one more time. Okay, that's about it. And lastly, how to release it. Just press this button and slide up. to release. Okay, that's very convenient if you are leaving your bike somewhere unsafe. To minimize this light unit to be stolen, and to charge it, you just need to pull this rubber and expose the micro USB port, and then as you charge your cell phone, this goes to your charger. Okay, that's about it. Thank you very much, and see you at Lazada.